Are you thinking about starting university? Consider taking your university studies with us here at Parkland College. We partner with First Nations University of Canada, the University of Regina, and the University of Saskatchewan, as well as Saskatchewan Polytechnic, to bring university classes and the experience closer to home for you. Although the current pandemic has temporarily changed the way that university studies look, the process for starting your studies is still the same. In saying that, we know that the process of choosing a university program and applying to that program can be confusing. So, here are some simple tips to help you get started. First, it is important to consider what you are interested in. There are many university programs to choose from. Start with one that interests you, and as you take classes, you can work with an academic advisor to ensure you are on the right path. During this first step, it can be helpful to reach out to a guidance counselor, a career counselor, or a member of our Parkland College Learner Services team to help you explore program options if you are unsure. Second, once you have decided on a program that you are interested in, you have to apply directly to that university for admission. Each program has different admission requirements and deadlines to get your application in, so it's good to make note of those. During the second step of the process, it can also be helpful to reach out to that counselor or learner services team member to assist you with your application. Third, once you have submitted your application and required documents, you will receive an admission decision from that university. This decision is usually emailed or mailed to you, so watch out for it. If you've been accepted into your program of choice, congratulations. At this step, it is best to meet with our academic advisor to discuss the options of where you can attend your program and to register with us as a university student if you choose Parkland College as your preferred location of study. Our Parkland College University program allows you the choice to take one class, to take 1 year, or take a full degree. There are hundreds of classes offered that you can take through face-to-face instruction, online, through remote video learning, and more. Students looking to gain admission into a professional program such as social work, nursing, nutrition, or pharmacy need to maintain a strong GPA to get into that program. This typically requires a pre-professional year of classes. This is a great reason to take classes through Parkland College. It is common for students to do better in Parkland College classes due to our small class size, personal connections with students, and supportive college community. Additionally, students who choose to continue their university studies with us past their first year have the option to complete a full degree in the following programs: Bachelor of Social Work from the University of Regina, Bachelor of Indigenous Education from the University of Regina and First Nations University of Canada, and Bachelor of Nursing from the University of Saskatchewan, as well as many other select university certificate, diploma, and degree programs. A major perk to being registered as a university student with us is that you have access to a personalized Parkland College account that includes Microsoft Office 365, WebEx, which is our preferred video conferencing platform, access to printers and scanners on campus, and in current development, a student account full of resources and additional support options. On top of these great perks, you can apply for Parkland scholarships as well as scholarships with the institution you're taking classes from. Win-win. For more information, check out our website or call us toll-free at 1-866-783-6766.